On Wall Street on Monday, Dow Jones slipped to a two-week low, weighed down by Boeing shares following the grounding of some its jets, while a rebound in megacaps and chip stocks lifted the S&P 500 and Nasdaq higher. At 9:52 a.m. Eastern Time, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 185.79 points, or 0.50%, at 37,280.32. The S&P 500 was up 11.73 points, or 0.25%, at 4,708.97. The Nasdaq Composite was up 104.25 points, or 0.72%, at 14,628.33. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 138.74 points, or 0.37%, at the open to 37,327.37. The S&P 500 opened higher by 6.46 points, or 0.14%, at 4,703.70. The Nasdaq Composite gained 40.39 points, or 0.28%, to 14,564.47 at the opening bell. Boeing shares plunged by 9.1%, after the beleaguered manufacturer was forced to ground some of its 737 MAX fleet when an Alaska Airlines panel blew out mid-flight. The yield on the 10-year Treasury slipped to 4.02% from 4.05% late Friday.